Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer customer engagement from Mailchimp to Constant Contact, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer customer engagement from Mailchimp to Constant Contact, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Audience tab on the dashboard. Select the audience you want to export. Click on the Manage Audience drop-down menu. Choose Export Audience from the options. Mailchimp will generate a CSV file of your audience contacts. Download this CSV file to your computer. Next, log into your Constant Contact account. Go to the Contacts section in the main menu. Click on Add Contacts to begin the import process. Select Import Contacts from the drop-down. Choose Upload from File as your import method. Locate the CSV file you downloaded from Mailchimp. Select the file and click Next. Review the import settings to ensure your fields align correctly. Make any necessary adjustments to field mapping. Once you are satisfied, click Continue. Constant Contact will process the file and import your contacts. You will receive a notification once the import is complete. To confirm the transfer, check the Contacts section for your newly imported audience. Next, set up engagement tracking in Constant Contact by going to the Email tab. Create your first email campaign to engage your audience. Monitor the analytics to evaluate customer engagement. Adjust your strategies based on the conversion rates and interaction data. With these steps, you have successfully transferred your customer engagement from Mailchimp to Constant Contact. Now you can focus on building stronger relationships with your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.